Multiply 3.14 by 30 using long multiplication. Start with the ones digit, 0. Multiplying by 0 makes this whole row 0. The first partial product is 0. Now use the tens digit, 3. Start one place to the left. 3 times 4 is 12. Put 2 in this column and carry 1. 3 times 1 plus the carried 1 is 4. 3 times 3 is 9. The second partial product is 9,420. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. In the ones column, 0 plus 0 is 0. In the tens column, 0 plus 2 is 2. In the hundreds column, 0 plus 4 is 4. In the thousands column, bring down 9. The product of the whole numbers is 9,420. Count the highlighted digits after each decimal point. The factors have 2 decimal places altogether, so the product needs 2 decimal places. Place the decimal point 2 places from the right. 9,420 becomes 94.20. That is simply 94.2. So 3.14 times 30 is 94.2.